Hey there, welcome to Humor Catalyst. Humor Catalyst में आपका स्वागत है. We are at war against Corona. And we all are fighting against Corona in whatever the way we can. But I think there are mainly three ways we can fight and we can contribute in this war. Number one, we can stay at home and be safe. Number two, we can help others. And number three, what the most people are doing these days, and that is by criticizing Modi. Well, Modi is the super spreader. He is the culprit. And this is what the most people are doing right now. But whatever your way is, I find that we are all contributing and fighting against Corona. Well, it looks like that Corona and Modi ji are playing some kind of game. Last year's situation was quite different. Last year it looked like that Modi ji is winning, Corona is out. Now situation got changed. Now Modi ji is on back foot because Corona has played a googly. Corona is on fire now. But Corona is not happy about all this. He's crying like a corporate employee who's not happy with his boss. He thinks that, well, the last 15 months I'm doing all the hard work. I have infected so many people in this world, in this country. But all the credit taken by Modi ji, which is not fair, which is unfair. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, my humble request is that, along with Modi ji, please give some credit to Corona as well. Yeah. So while observing this game between Corona and Modi ji, I found that there are some similarities and differences between Corona and Modi ji while how they are dealing with each other. So let's talk about the similarities first. They both are obsessed with the double power. Well, Corona has transformed itself as a double mutant, while Modi ji is always interested in double engine की government. भाई और बहनों बनाइए double engine की सरकार. And what is happening now? Everybody is obsessed with being double or double power. Even now, doctors are advising to wear double masks. Yeah, yeah, double masks. And I just bought this oximeter, in double price. So finally, Janta is paying double price for everything of all this nonsense of being, double power. Well, the other similarity between them is that they both come in wave. Corona came as a wave one, wave two. And Modi ji also, if you remember, he comes in wave. Hope many of you remember the Modi wave 2014. And then another wave, second wave, Modi wave 2019. They both comes in wave. Well, have you noticed that second wave is stronger than the first one? Well, when the corona first wave came, people took it lightly. अरे भैया कोरोना हमारा कुछ नहीं उखाड़ पाएगा क्योंकि हमारे पास है काढ़ा. And in the second wave now, kadha is not working. Along with kadha, you need what? Oxygen cylinders. Well, similarly in Modi wave 1, Modi ji took some light decisions like Swachhata Abhiyan, Jan Dhan account opening, then Note Bandi. But when it came to Modi wave 2, it was like thunderous. It was like a hurricane. Removal of Article 370, Ram Mandir, CAA, Citizenship Amendment Bill. And second wave is still not over. Can you imagine what will happen in the third wave? It will be disastrous. Well, I'm talking about Corona. Well, coming to the next similarity between Modi ji and Corona, they both are obsessed with the global image. Corona is trying to build its image as a global virus, while Modi ji is trying to build his image as a global leader. They both are trying hard. And in this whole game, in this whole process, Janta is getting out of the globe itself. Coming to the next similarity, they both like crowd, especially election rallies and Kumbh Mela. They love it. They love the crowd. Yeah. And they both like traveling. In the last 15 months, Corona has traveled so many countries, the number of countries more than Modi ji has traveled in the last 7 years. Here, Corona takes some points. He scores points more than Modi ji. Yeah, no doubt. And they both like new words. Modi ji introduced the words like Atmanirbhar, which Donald Trump cannot pronunciate rightly. On the other hand, Corona introduced the words like quarantine, hydrochloroquine, remdesivir, which I believe that the Donald Trump cannot pronunciate any of them rightly. Yeah. Swami Vivekananda, something like that. Ladies and gentlemen, let me talk about the differences now. The first difference is that the corona attacks in lungs. Lungs stop working. And Modi ji attacks in brain. It is something like that. भाई और बहनों, होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए, होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए, and it's like, yeah, होना चाहिए. When its brain stops working, when it speaks. Well, well, Modi ji's slogan is सबका साथ सबका विकास, while Corona slogan is सबका साथ सबका विनाश. Modi ji like people to come out of the home and do some chai pe charcha, while Corona wants you to sit at home and drink kadha 3 times in a day. And at last, to prevent corona, you need Indian vaccines like Covishield and Covaxin, which are very effective. On the other hand, to stop Modi, you have only one vaccine available, and that is called Rahul Gandhi. And that is not effective at all. It doesn't work. In fact, it is making Modi more stronger. Well, ladies and gentlemen, so at last, some people say that uh, during this dark time and not so good time, it is not morally right to create humor and laughter. But I believe that this is the time when we need more humor and more laughter than any time earlier. Yeah. So laugh as much as you can, spread the humor as much as you can, because this is the right time when we need more laughter, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you for joining Humor Catalyst and watching this video. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with other people. And keep safe yourself and stay healthy and happy.